Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. For those of you that watch my videos, you're probably thinking, oh, he actually speaks. Yes, so I thought it would be good for me to start speaking in my videos because it makes it easier for me to explain certain bass lines. With some videos that I made, I did find it difficult to explain what I was doing without saying anything. So I thought it would be good to speak from now on all my videos. And yes, and I've been enjoying making videos, so please keep your suggestions coming. When I started this channel, I didn't know how many people were going to watch. I had no expectations. I was happy with 1 or 2 people watching, and it seems like people are liking the video. So please keep your suggestions coming, and I'm happy to play anything to the best of my ability, of course. And yes, as you can tell by the title of this video, I will be focusing on a series of videos on an album called Live Celebration Gael, released by a band called Gael, which is a Congolese gospel band. And I thought it would be good to cover different songs within the album. So I'll be making a video for each song. I think there's about 16 songs. And these songs will cover different styles and some of the things that I've shown you guys as well in my previous videos. So it'd be good for us to get a foundation and look at the fundamentals and how we can incorporate certain things that their bassist does in our playing. So I think it'll be good. Nonetheless, if you have any suggestions that are not related to this type of music or this album or this band, please keep them coming. I'm happy to show you guys anything, as long as I can play it, of course. And yeah, so keep them coming. Make sure you subscribe for more videos, and please do let me know what you want to see more. The bass line pretty much remains the same until the end of the song, but there are little things that the bassist does. There are little licks that he uses, and he improvises a little bit, even though he's playing the same thing over and over again. And we will look at the little things that he's doing to spice it up a bit. And also, because this is a very long song, it's about 7 minutes and 50 seconds, I will focus on from the point where the bassist starts playing. So I'm using the album version, which he starts at 1:55, and I'll stop at about the 5th or the 6th minute. So 4 minutes of his playing that I will try to explain, instead of just going from start to finish, because it will be very long, because he's essentially playing the same thing, but I just want to focus on the little things. So the progression is 1, 1, 3, 6, 4, 2, 5, 5, 1, 7, 6, 4, 2, 5, 5, 1. So it's the same progression until the end of the song. So the actual bass line, it goes. So 1, 5. So it's all part of the same chord. G major. So three, and so So B, E, open string E. So 3, 3, 6, 4, 3, 2. So 4, 3, so that's a 2. So 5, 2. So 2, 5, 7, 5, 7, 5, 7, 1, and then walk down 1, 7, 1, 7. So with the where the D is, hammer on to the E. B, open string E. So so 4, 3, 2, 5, 2. So 2, 5, 6, 7, 5, 7, 1. Like I said before, the way he plays is pretty much the same, but he changes like little things, like how he goes back to the 1. So the way we looked at, he did this. And also so there's different ways you can go back to the 1, but if you're just comfortable doing 1 and like playing in one way, then by all means do it. But if you want to improve or improvise, then just try to add different ways, and the best way to do it is just listen to how the professionals do it. So when we go back to the 1, play the same thing. So now it's different. So we're playing the same thing until we get to the 5. And to go back to the 1, we play something different. So that's typically what he changes in the bass line. We're still going back to the 1, of course, but he's just playing a bit different to last time. So last time we played, so we played, but now we're playing. So so playing so 2, 5, 6, 7, 5, 7, 1, 7. So so this time is so that's 155 up until about 3 and some change. So so the thing that changes is just how he goes back to the 1, and both times in the actual progression. So if you listen to the whole song and try to just master the little changes, then you can make it a bit different rather than just always doing every single time. You can change it. again, we play the same thing, go back to the 1. So there's a lick that he plays. So this is from the 3rd minute, I forgot to mention, to the 4th minute. So before I did 155 to the 2nd minute, now I'm doing 155 to the 3rd minute. Now I'm doing the 3rd minute to the 4th minute. So he goes, so 5 2 5 7, so 5 7 1, and then there's a lick that he plays this. So you slide on the A string. So G, F sharp, D, A. So 1 7 5 2. I'll do it slowly. So we go back to the 1. Now we play something different. So so hammer on E, so from D to E. So 1 2 1. So 5 6 1 2 1. So, like I said before, all we're changing is how we go back to the 1. So, but after playing the same thing that we played, it changes a little bit. So he will play something like. play the octave, so 1 and the octave 1, and then you play a lick after. So I'll show you. So I'm hammering on. What I mean by hammering on, I'm playing it once on my plucking hand, so it's to make it make sense to you. Just play the major scale all the way to the 4th string. So if you play the G major scale, it's so, and if I play it from the 5, so from the D, it will be so it's so this is essentially 3, 4, 5, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So like I said, play the major scale. It will help you. Use a metronome, it will help you as well with the speed. And of course the song carries on, but there's no point of covering every single little thing that's played. If you want to see what else he plays, by all means go and listen to the song. I just wanted to show you just some variations that he uses in a song, and hopefully you can now play this song. So thank you for watching. For the next video, we will focus on the next song in this album, and in between I will also release some videos that have nothing to do with this. By the way, don't just think that the next 16 videos are going to be songs from this album, but I just do want to focus on a series based on songs from this album. But if you have any suggestions or something that you really want to see, by all means I can drop them. And yeah, if there's anything that you'd like me to go over that I've released before, please do let me know as well. And if you want to see more videos, please do subscribe and let me know your suggestions. Just comment below how you found this video. If you want me to slow it down or speed it up, or I don't know, whatever you want, just let me know. But thank you a lot for watching this video.